it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about how you guys can get approved for a $10,000 Home Depot credit card. So if this is something you guys are interested in, definitely stick around because I'm going to tell you guys exactly how you guys can actually do it. Now, if this is your first time watching my videos, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys like this video, and I have down below in the comments a link that says all things Rickita. On that link, it's like everything that I have, you guys. It's all things Rickita, everything that has to do with me. So definitely go down there and make sure you guys check out like the different credit cards you guys can get, and also sign up for my exclusive membership, something that I do have for you guys. But make sure you guys save that link because everything I talk about is definitely there. Make sure you guys also like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. And if you ever have any questions, go ahead and drop those questions down in the comments. Now, with the Home Depot credit card, you guys can get approved for multiple lines. So you guys can get approved for personal credit cards, and you guys can also get approved for business credit cards. Now, the thing is about the Home Depot credit card, they used to be able to pre-qualify you, but I just cannot seem to find that link. So if you guys actually have the link where people can actually pre-qualify for that Home Depot credit card, definitely let me know. Email it to me. Here's my email address right here. I'll make sure I post that for everybody. But a lot of people was actually getting pre-qualifications, and I like that, you guys. But they don't have the pre-qualifications anymore. But if you guys know that you have a nice Equifax credit score, still go ahead and apply for that Home Depot credit card because they can actually give you a nice limit when you guys actually get approved. Now, when you guys try to get approved for this credit card, sometimes you may not get the limit that you want. And if you do not get the limit that you want when you apply for it, then you guys can also always call their reconsideration line. Call them to see if they can reconsider you so that you guys can get approved for more. Maybe they can just increase your credit card. Now look right here, a $9,000 increase to $9,000, and this one right here increased to $10,000. So that's why I told you guys you can get approved at $10,000, because even if they approve you for say $5,000, then you guys can always ask them to reconsider, or you can ask just for a regular increase and see if they can increase to the amount that you're requesting. Now, if you guys own a home or maybe rental properties, then you need to have like a Home Depot credit card. You need to have a Lowe's credit card. You need to have maybe a Menards credit card. And I love the Menards credit card too, you guys, because you can use it at Speedway. Love Speedway. I love Wawa because they have the food, they have the snacks. So definitely you want to make sure you have these different credit cards. But the Home Depot credit card is a very nice credit card that you guys are going to want, because they have interest-free payments for you guys when you guys spend so much. So definitely go ahead and see if you guys can get approved for this credit card. Now, if you guys are able to get approved for this credit card, don't forget, drop that down in the comments. Like, don't just get approved for the credit card and don't come back and tell us. Like, seriously, go ahead and drop those down in the comments, because there's so many people that's trying to get approved for these different credit cards. So if you guys go ahead and drop it down in the comments, then we'll know exactly what you got approved for, and then you'll also know exactly which bureau they actually pull from. So definitely come back and let us know if you actually got approved. If you're having a hard time getting approved for these different credit cards, then you may want to sign up for my exclusive membership, where I can help you boost your credit score and help you remove those negative accounts in your credit reports. Maybe you just have negative accounts in your credit reports right now. Maybe your credit score is just low so that you can't get approved for any of these credit cards. So definitely go ahead, sign up for my exclusive membership. I have it with the $1 trial, so definitely go ahead and sign up for it. Now, I know the biggest thing is that you guys want to get pre-qualified for credit cards. So if you guys cannot get this credit card, or you guys like, Rickita, I like the credit card, but I need to get pre-qualified for a credit card, then maybe you just don't want to get this credit card and you want to just see if you can pre-qualify for other credit cards. And if you pre-qualify for other credit cards, that's like a Visa or MasterCard, then you can use it anywhere. You can actually use it at Home Depot. You can use it at Menards. You can use it at Lowe's. You can use it everywhere. So definitely I want to talk to you guys about those credit cards now. So you guys, if you're looking to get pre-qualified, maybe you want to try to look into FNBO, because they can actually pre-qualify you for some of their credit cards. And when they pre-qualify you, they'll let you know exactly how much they can pre-qualify you for. So you definitely want to go to their website and see exactly what they can pre-qualify you for. And then you guys also have Apple credit card. Now, I know you guys heard me talk about the Apple credit card a lot. I'm going to keep talking about the Apple credit card because you guys are going to get rewards. And on top of that, they can pre-qualify you without that hard inquiry. Like any credit card that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, they're good in my book. So that's the biggest thing that I like for people. So if you guys want to pre-qualify, check out those 2 credit cards. You guys can also check out Capital One credit cards because they can actually pre-qualify you without a credit card. I mean, without a hard inquiry. Oh my gosh, you guys. They can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. And they have multiple credit cards. They have personal credit cards and they have business credit cards that they can actually pre-qualify you for. So definitely see if you can actually get pre-qualified for these different credit cards. Now, if you guys are with Navy Federal Credit Union, then you guys want to see if they can pre-qualify you for a credit card. Or if you're not with Navy Federal Credit Union, then maybe you want to see if you can get with Navy Federal Credit Union. Just get you a savings or a checkings account with them. I just simply signed up for a savings account when I first got an account with them, and after that I asked the lady, hey, can I pre-qualify for a credit card? Can I get any credit cards? And she said, yeah, you can do that now. So I actually pre-qualified for a credit card and I actually applied for that credit card, and you guys can do the same. Now, if they tell y'all need a secure credit card for any of these companies that I mentioned, if they say you need to get a secure credit card, that means your credit score is too low. One, call me. Let's schedule a call. Let's see exactly what's going on to the point where you can't get approved for credit cards unless they're secure. And 2, then you may want to actually try to get the credit cards, because with Navy Federal Credit Union, they can actually pre-qualify you for one of their secure credit cards. And if you put $200 down on their secure credit card, then that secure credit card is going to turn into a $2,000 credit card. If you put $200 down on that credit card can actually turn into a $2,000 credit card. So I definitely want you guys to go ahead and see if you can actually get pre-qualified for it. And then if you got to get that secure one, just get it, y'all. Just do it. And as you get the $2,000 credit card, you guys can later on at the 6 months ask for an increase, or at that point when you guys get that secure credit card, the point that secure credit card is on your credit reports, that's going to actually boost your credit score up. So you guys can actually apply for another credit card with them, and maybe you just get approved for $20,000. Maybe you get approved for $10,000. But just go ahead and apply. And don't forget, with these companies, it's not a hard inquiry, so they're going to tell you yes or no. And if they say no, then you move on and you go to the next company. I have my link, All Things Rickita, down in the comments. Go ahead and click on that link, because when you click on that link, I'm going to have all of the credit cards there, and then I'm going to let you know whether or not you can pre-qualify for these credit cards. And then also, not only would I tell you guys will pre-qualify for credit cards on that link, I have linked to my website. I have a link where you guys can schedule a call with me or somebody on my team. So definitely go ahead and check it out, because everything is going to be on my link, allthingsrickita.com. So definitely go ahead and click there and see all of the different cards that you guys can actually apply for. Now, last but not least, I want to definitely talk to you guys about Discover, because I really like Discover because they give you that awesome cash back, whether you're getting secure or whether you're going to get a regular credit card, unsecured credit card. And when I say cash back, I'm talking 2% cash back on a secure credit card. Like, where are they doing it at? Like, they have that. So definitely go ahead. If they have to, you have to get it secure, but they can approve you for their regular cashback credit card or their student credit card. Then definitely go ahead and apply for those credit cards. Now, hopefully you guys found this video useful. Hopefully you found it helpful. Go ahead, look in the description, look in the comments, go ahead, click on my link, All Things Rickita. Sign up for my exclusive membership. It's a $1 7-day trial. Go ahead and sign up for that, and then see the other credit cards you guys can actually apply for. Hopefully you guys get approved for it. And I'm sorry you guys hear my little man in the background. He just got his tonsils removed, so yeah, he have to take his medicine every 3 hours, and he's just not with it right now. But definitely go ahead, check out these other videos here. Hopefully one of these videos is something that you guys may be interested in. Thank you. Bye-bye.